Namaskar babies. Babies, we have already done chapter number 1, that was Manu and his family. In that chapter, we came to know about Manu and his family. And today we are going to read chapter number 2, that is Friends in the Park. In this chapter, we will come to know about Manu and his friends. So here we go. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. After it is a full stop and we'll give a little pause over here. Okay? Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with the other children. In this paragraph, they have told us that Manu, who goes to park every evening to play, and along with him, his friend Amina also goes. And what they do over there? They just run around. वो इधर उधर घूमकर सब बेबीज के साथ बहुत प्ले करते हैं. Like you people. Okay? Next paragraph. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all, they love the swings. Babies, you know what they used to enjoy? They used to enjoy seesaw. See, this is a seesaw swing and they are going to enjoy like it anything. Okay, like there are also favorite swings of yours, na? You also enjoy. So they also used to enjoy these swings very much. Okay. Next paragraph. There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. Okay, since babies, their park was not that big, so they had only 2 swings in the park. And every child want to take a swing now. So what they did, they just take the turns. That right now Manu is having the swing and after 5 minutes the other child can have. Okay? Turn out the page. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Babies, have you all noticed that I have put a little pause after day, boy and Sunny? Why? Because a comma was there. So you have to put a little pause after a comma. He is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. And you know one day what happened? One day a new boy, Sunny, who came to that park where Manu and his friends used to play. He was tall and strong. You all are strong? He was also very strong. And he wanted to sit on the swing. Manu was swinging. Manu was swinging this swing. So, what he did? He just pushed off Manu. And Manu fell off the swing. Which is very bad. This is very bad behavior. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. Manu got hurt in his leg. Right, you can see Manu's leg. And Amina is sad. Why Amina is sad? Because Manu was Amina's friend. And what Amina told to Sunny? That Sunny, don't be rough. Don't do this kind of behavior. But Sunny, as he was arrogant, he did not listen to Amina. The next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. And you know what happened next day? Next day, no one Not even a single child was ready to play with Sunny because Sunny was a bad boy and Sunny used to hurt kids, right? So be very polite in your behavior. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join in too. Sunny felt very bad because if any of the child is not playing with anyone, so you will feel bad now. The same way Sunny was also feeling bad because no one was ready to play with him. So what he said? He finally said sorry to Manu, and afterwards Manu and Amina started playing with Sunny. And looking at them, the other children who were there in the park, they joined them too. Okay, babies? So keep reading and be a good boy, be a good baby. Okay? Have a good day.